The EU just ended free customs on small parcels. Most sellers haven't noticed yet. The €150 free ride is over. Until June 30th, 2026, parcels worth €150 or less, shipped into the EU from outside, enter duty-free. As of July 1st, 2026, that exemption is gone, replaced by a flat €3 customs duty per item. The change is already in effect, not upcoming. It's per item, not per parcel. The €3 charge applies per product classification, not once per shipment. A parcel with 3 different products can trigger 3 separate €3 charges. Multiple units of the same product in one parcel still count as a single charge. This is temporary and getting bigger. The €3 rate is a transitional measure lasting until 2028, when standard tariffs take over. A further €2 per item handling fee is expected from November 2026, still pending confirmation. Nearly 6 billion low-value parcels entered the EU last year. This touches a massive share of cross-border sellers. Check this before your next EU shipment. If you ship low-value goods into the EU from outside, this now affects your landed cost on every order. IOSS registration is worth reviewing if you're not already set up for it. Build the €3 per item cost into pricing now, not after margins already took the hit.